Hello, in this session we will talk about SAP product support maintenance lifecycle. This is Hassan Mir from 02protraining.com. One of the main reasons behind an upgrade project is that support is expiring. What does that mean in the big picture? So let's take a look at the lifecycle that a typical ERP product like SAP goes through. One of the main reasons behind an ERP upgrade project, including SAP, is that the support is expiring. What does that mean in the big picture? So let's take a look at life cycle of a typical ERP product like SAP, for example. Stage 1 is where the product is being developed by the vendor. So vendor performs the requirement gathering and initiates the development of the software. Once it's ready, it is not released to the general public as such. Rather, it goes into a ramp-up stage. In this stage, the software is released to a limited number of customers called ramp-up customers, and also this stage is called FCS, first customer shipment. The majority of the customers do not want to be the first one to upgrade. They just want to wait until the others have upgraded and streamline all the known issues. Yet there are other kind of customers, usually small in number, that want to remain on top of things, and they are the ones who are volunteers for the ramp-up stage. What type of customer a company is mainly dictated by the culture that resides within the company. So that is the whole purpose of the ramp-up stage, that the product is released to limited number of customers so that any main issues could be ironed out by the vendor. And then the software goes into a GA stage called general available stage. At this point, the software is available to all customers, and customers, when they purchase the software, enters into mainstream maintenance stage. Now the support is available to customers based on the type of license they have. Actually, the mainstream maintenance stage could last around 5 years. Then begins maintenance extension stage. This is an optional stage in which customers can take advantage of the support provided by the vendor, and usually the fees for this stage is 2 to 5% more than the normal maintenance stage. The extended maintenance stage is not as long in duration as the mainstream maintenance stage. It usually lasts about a year or so. After the maintenance extension stage, regular support phase ends. So officially support is not available for this software from the vendor. However, if there is a requirement from the customer, they can enter into a customer specific maintenance stage. This is very expensive and available to limited customers. Usually it is avoided by customers because of the cost, and not all ERP vendors provide customer specific support. Now when this stage ends, customer can optionally purchase extended specific maintenance as well. However, this may or may not be available based on the vendor. So this is how a typical life cycle looks like in terms of support and maintenance.